Ooh, wait. Listen, I'm hot. Tired. Oh, I got a new subscriber to my channel. Hi. It says new subscriber notification. I just came from the laundromat and I found these at the Family Dollar. Look how cute these are. Super cute, right? My little kiddos are doing I'm the happiest Christmas tree. Thought those were really, really cute versus like the regular traditional red and white hats. So I'm actually on a hunt because I went to this one that's near me now and they only have 4. I need 17. Okay? Then he had 4. The other location they told me to go to had 6. The other lady said go right down the street. That one has, they probably have some. So that's what, it was hot in here, y'all. Whew, okay. It's only 52 degrees, but baby, the sun is out. The sun is shining. Look at my ponytail. I don't know if it's moving. It might be a little still. But that's all right. Okay, they got 1 right here. 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh, here go 1. 5. They only got 5. Okay, so we got 5 out of here. Oh, hold on, wait a minute, y'all. Wait. Oops. Here goes another one. 6. We got 6, and we got 6 out of 12. 15 to 16. And the other store had 4. So that'd be 16. We need 1 more. I'll be back. Let's see.
That's good hat. I have a Santa hat at home.
Okay, come on.
No. I have a different one that's not signed.
Let's go get some candy pants for y'all. Okay, that is
Take it above.
4.
Wait for your grandma.
Okay. I don't want you to do me.
Just 1?
2.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have all that we need. I'm excited, y'all. I hope they like it. Yay! We have all 6. And we are done on this hunt for these hats. It's the 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4th store. We're done. Get all the hats. $70. I'm excited. Let's show the kiddos tomorrow. Okay, so they got 3. They have pistachio and dream. These are the notes. Pistachio, vanilla, brown sugar, and cream. And then we have vanilla musk. The notes are coconut, anise, vanilla, and musk. And then they have vanilla sugar, which has almond, peach, vanilla, orchid, and caramel. And these are for $14.99. So you get the oil and then like the travel size roll on. I don't know which one to get. They don't have anything like out for me to like know what the scent smells like. They do have a lot of the diffuser oils. 99. Uh-oh. Okay, so I was looking over here and I see they have more oil, but then down here they have a double combo that has jasmine and cedarwood and vanilla musk. And the other vanilla musk was blue. That was just over there. But here we go with the notes. Saffron, lemon, jasmine, pine, and cedarwood, coconut, anise, vanilla, and musk. This is really cute packaging too. And this one is $19.99. We're gonna do this one because at least we got 2 different scents. And then we can see if we like them or not. Because the other one is just 1 scent and 1 roll-on. So, we're gonna see, guys. Let's go check out. They did not have the puzzle. In a minute, I'm gonna give up. Let me look on this car real quick. Twerk pong. Have a puzzle right there. If you're really into puzzles. Oh, this is a mat. This is cool too. But I looked through all of these puzzles and nothing. We're gonna grab these, get on the battery. The line is now short. The line was just back here after that. So we're gonna get in line and we're gonna check out. BRB. Ooh, we have did a lot of errands today. The question is, do we go home and cook? I don't know if I want to cook spaghetti or do I want to make my meatballs, rice, and veggies. As you guys can see, we still have the laundry in the car. If I went home to my laundry upstairs, I won't come back down. So, matter of fact, I see they got my little coupon. Let me pull up. This thing always scares me. Go back some. Okay.
Public in your hood, then turn the car off. And give us about 15 to 20 minutes for your service.
Okay. Thank you. Nice. You get 25% off. So it was $89. Then now it went down to $65. We like that.
I'm going to show you a brand new oil level. And it's going to do some second checks, make sure everything's good and tight. And we'll drop the hood and wave you out and you're good to go.
Thank you, you too.